Hi, today we are going to do something quite exciting. Behind me here is the bathtub that will go into the French suite. At the moment it's a very simple white bathtub. Now, I alluded to it last week that we're going to do something a little bit more special with it. In a magazine a little while ago I saw that somebody had clad a bathtub in a fabric, and I thought that was a really interesting idea to bring some softness into the room. And I was looking at a lot of different fabrics, and really realistically all the fabrics that were waterproof were the fabrics that are used for outdoor furniture. They were very, very hard, but we were extremely lucky to have found this fabric here, which not only is the color of the veining within the marble fireplace, so therefore it actually ties everything together, but it's also extremely soft. Interestingly enough, this fabric comes from France and was the last 8 meters in the world that they have of this fabric at the moment, which is really exciting. Now, the way this is actually going to work is that we're going to put some batting or foam around the bathtub, and then our amazing upholsterer, Helen, is going to sew the fabric on top of this. She's actually going to use a little trick where she puts some Velcro on top so that if we don't like it or for whatever reason we need to remove it, we can remove it easily without actually harming the bathtub underneath. And I can't wait to see how this actually all comes together.
Oh yeah! Don't want to break the camera!
Never.
No one watches it anyway, so it's just friends and family.
There's nobody to have though.
Yeah, if you want to say like, what did you do? And I'm like, oh, I can show you. This is how it looked before, right?
It's lovely, yeah, to have it before and in between.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Kind of getting there and.
We do actually sometimes have to watch back or like look at the pictures that we took the very first time we came in. It was livable and everything, totally fine, right? It just looks like work for us. Yeah. So this is the first fitting, you know, fitting for a bathtub. That's not fun. It's quite fun, isn't it?
See, it's nice and smooth.
And yeah, you totally see already how it will look like. I like it.
So if I turn it upside down with the Velcro still on,
Yes.
stick on the
Oh yeah.
pull it.
Yeah.
But I don't even have to do that.
And how? Okay, yeah, that's not too bad, right?
No, it's the half inch.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it up in Newbridge. They don't do
Oh,
it.
right. They don't
And
do it,
it's
no?
really good,
Yeah.
half inch. They only do inch, and an inch was too thick.
Oh yeah, no, this
It's
is way
just
better.
something to soften.
Yeah.
So we'd wait for that to come in the post, so it came anyway. So I wasn't going to, like, inch was too thick, and then the other dacron, the
What's
white
dacron?
stuff, it's like putting a duvet or a throw,
Oh yeah.
fluffy stuff.
Yeah.
That's too thin.
Ah,
It wouldn't give the bounce
Yeah.
that foam would give it the luxury.
I think with the half inch it allows us to, like push it in further here and let it a little bit slack there so that it actually gives the more straight setup, right?
Oh, I didn't want to do a second.
No,
I
yeah.
didn't want to. You can have your red if you want,
Yeah.
and I can put it in where the red is.
I think it still looks fine.
There.
Yeah.
It'll have a bubble though. See here? Does that
Yeah.
matter? It's like
Yeah.
it's like
No.
a
Yeah. No. I think the other one was better. Like
It's like a flat like that.
Yeah. No, I think the way that you had it before was better, right? Yeah. Got a bit of an edge now. I'm wondering if we get like a carpenter's knife and just kind of
Give
like
it a kind of a
yeah.
like a V.
Yeah, exactly.
off the V.
Right. Just I'm not sure how difficult that is, but it's just foam. It should work, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
good.
if we do this, then it's a more seamless kind of start, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Larry, you're inside out.
Looks like a huge skirt, doesn't it?
Yeah. Quite skirt. Finished first time. Lovely. Put that back here.
Wow. Okay.
I sort it down. I can let off. See, after I get around. Oops.
Quick question: would it be easier to go from the bottom? Just thinking out loud, yeah.
It won't go over that.
Yeah.
No.
There, we can lift it, right? And then, or should I lift it on one side and then we go under? Or?
See. There we go. Give me half, see. I'll give you half. Okay. Right, okay.
Oh wait. Oh, okay. More glue down here to keep it, right? I might there's something already in there. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
In here.
Yeah. And if you really concerned with something, what you could do, right, for like especially here, like if we put a piece of fabric and just have like a strap, you know what I mean? Yeah, or like even if you put like a little like a button or something that's here, just one here, one like a belt, you know?
I get you.
So this way it would always hold together. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think you need to because you glue it down, but just in case we feel like, oh, okay, I'm not sure if this comes loose or whatever. I don't think it should, but that could be a way, right, to do it. You know what we also have here? We have the steamer here, if there's anything wrinkled in there later, but I think it's so tight.
Yeah, I need to bring my silicone spray. It makes the foam slippy and fabric.
Wow, okay. Can't believe that you already did this.
I need to put a bit more fabric or more stretching the back. Now, it's this here.
So if you have it like equal, if there's another fold there and the other side, then it looks very deliberate. Don't you think?
Not to have it on the corners.
No, what I'm saying, look what I'm doing here, and then you do the exact same on the other
Yes,
side, right?
mirrors.
Yeah. So like exactly, yeah, in a way.
Oh,
So
I actually like this. There to there.
yeah, so you've got basically two beautiful, you know, like it's very deliberate,
Yeah.
right?
You want to maybe put a sword there.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
That'd be more tight.
Yeah. Yeah.
But there has to be straight.
Yeah.
That has to be perfectly straight.
Yeah.
For it to make it sit nicely.
We have to give out to